हेलो
रानी में दाग.
हाँ जी. किसकी आपकी?
Where you collaborated with Pradeep Sarkar.
हाँ अच्छा okay.
हाँ जी. So that movie did not get the kind of response that I'm sure that you and Pradeep both wanted.
Right.
Now you're collaborating with him again on a female-oriented topic with Mardani. Now, what were the mistakes that you think happened then, and have you done to rectify those in this particular film?
I just wish I knew. Otherwise, I would have been an astrologer, and I would be sitting and giving advices to a lot of people. What should they do in films and what they shouldn't do in films. But to take it on a positive note, I think I'm really, really happy and very, very excited to have collaborated with Dada again on the film. I feel he's an extremely talented director, and I love his work, and I love working with him. We have a great working relationship, and hopefully with this film, both Pradeep Da and me can wash off the dark that we earlier created with Laga Chunri. Yeah?
Hello.
You're happy with the answer? Yeah? Okay.
Rani here. How much will you have in terms of a creative say in the Yash Raj films to come, whether they star you or whether they don't star you?
I think as a creative person, as a person who's attached with the industry, not only Yash Raj, I think there are a lot of my friends who are not working for Yash Raj at present. But as a creative person, if there's anybody who ever makes me hear a script and would like an opinion, I'm always there to give. So I don't think there's a particular role that I would be playing or anything of that sort, but I'm always there to listen to scripts. And I think that's a normal thing that friends in the industry keep doing. Like there are many scripts that I send to some of my friends to have a read and give an opinion. The same way I've also read many scripts like that, but nothing really concrete. I would just say it in a very informal way.
Let's take the last two questions, please.
आपकी जो ये फिल्म है, ये आज के जो
कौन है? हाँ जी. हेलो.
हेलो. आज के जो हालात हैं, उनको मद्देनजर रख के बनाई गई है ये फिल्म. लाइक रेप केसेस हो रहे हैं, और तो आपने बताया कि 2 लाफे लगा देने, 2 चमाट लगा देने चाहिए. लेकिन
आपको नहीं लगता है?
नहीं लगता है, लेकिन
तो फिर
मैं आपको ये पूछना चाहती हूँ.
आप देते नहीं हो?
नहीं, आप पुलिस
रफीक होल्ड. let me give you one back.
मेरा सवाल ये है कि पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर 2 जमाट लगा सकते हैं,
क्यों?
लेकिन नॉर्मल लड़की के लिए कितना पॉसिबल है?
क्यों नॉर्मल लड़की के लिए पॉसिबल नहीं है? यही तो मतलब जरूरी है दैट इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर विमेन टू प्रोटेक्ट देमसेल्व्स. एंड नहीं, प्रोटेक्शन जो है, जैसे कि आजकल सब लोग ऐसा कहते हैं कि देर आर स्कूल्स ऑफ सेल्फ डिफेंस, देर आर सो मेनी स्कूल्स दैट आर कमिंग अप ऑफ मार्शल आर्ट्स, जो कि मैं हमेशा जैसे आई हैड गॉन टू अ प्लेस वेयर दे हैड. दादा आपकी बातचीत हो गई तो मैं उनके साथ बात कर लूँ प्लीज. there's this place I'd gone to speak to all the women. They had called me from the police to have a word with all of the young girls and everything who had come for the forum. तो मुझे वहाँ पर भी पूछा गया था, और मैंने तभी भी कहा था कि हमारे स्कूल्स में एक कंपल्सरी करिकुलम निकलना चाहिए गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज़ के लिए, दोनों के लिए स्कूल में. क्योंकि जैसे कि आजकल इतने स्कूल में हम देखते हैं कि पीपल आर द चिल्ड्रन आर प्लेइंग स्पोर्ट्स, पेंटिंग क्लासेस लेते, स्केटिंग क्लासेस लेते. वैसे ही आई थिंक मार्शल आर्ट्स की ट्रेनिंग होनी चाहिए कंपलसरी, सेल्फ डिफेंस की क्लासेस होनी चाहिए कंपलसरी थ्रू आउट. मतलब जितने भी एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस है, वेदर इट्स गवर्नमेंट रन और private run, I think it's very important to come out with classes like this which are made compulsory. And आज के हालात देख के, मतलब मद्देनजर रख के, there should be these classes that should be formed, जहाँ पे लड़कियों को सिखाया जाना चाहिए how to self defend. And I think self defense is the need of the hour, I think. And I think every one of us should know some form of the other. अभी वो दिन चले गए जब हम कहते थे कि अभी we have somebody to protect us, कि किसी का हाथ पकड़ के चलो, भैया का हाथ पकड़ के चलो, या हस्बैंड का हाथ पकड़ के चलो, या डैडी का हाथ पकड़ के चलो. आई थिंक नाउ इट्स द टाइम इज दैट वी शुड टेक इट अप, वी विमेन शुड टेक इट अप एंड ट्राई एंड डू समथिंग अबाउट प्रोटेक्टिंग आवरसेल्व्स फर्स्ट.
ये फिल्म के जरिए आप यही मैसेज देना चाहती हैं?
जी एकदम, कि सब सेल्फ डिफेंस में लग जाए. और सब इतना तो कर ही ले कि एक सिचुएशन अगर आए तो वो अपने आप को मतलब बचा सके.
Okay, we'll take the last question, please.
Thank you.
रानी यहाँ पर.
Hi Rani.
Again, 1 minute. Let me answer him. Then I'll answer you.
Myself, Himesh from TalkingMovies.com.
Yeah.
In the trailer, we have seen you doing some thrilling action sequence. So, how
Right.
was your experience going through the entire process of action?
Can I not have that light coming on my face? Thank you. Because I can't see your friend then. That's why. Huh.
So, how was your experience going through the entire process of action?
Actually, my experience was great because I did learn Krav Maga, which is an Israeli martial arts self-defense form, which I had to go extensive training with for my sequence. And through the process of learning Krav Maga, the instructors who are from Delhi, they in fact took me through an entire series of teaching me what are the different self-defense techniques that women can do in terms of the danger that they face on a day-to-day level. And Krav Maga emphasis on the fact that you don't have to be physically strong to protect yourself. Like log bolte na ki aap gym karo ya become strong or lift up weights and become strong and then fight. But Krav Maga actually believes that however strong you are, whether your power is 10 or 100 or 50, as long as you know the technique correctly, you can actually come out of any difficult situation. And I thought that was really interesting in Krav Maga because that's the only form of martial arts that does not emphasize on your physical power. So I think for females or, women, I think the form of Krav Maga would be actually very, very good for them. Because, you don't have to really use your power to get your target down. Because the question always arises that, when a man is much stronger and he comes in front of you, how do you defend yourself from a person who's probably 6 foot height or he's probably stronger than you physically? How do you defend yourself? And Krav Maga has the answers, and they teach you different techniques. And I was really, really actually intrigued with those things. And I actually learned some of the forms of self-defense. And hopefully I'll use them if I ever need to. So I think it's a great opportunity through this film that I learned another thing, because normally in every film I do go through extensive training of some other thing that I learn. And through Mardani I've learned this. So I really in fact enjoyed my action scenes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
रानी, आप एक बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल एक्टर हैं. आपने गाना भी गाया हुआ है और आप
गाना?
प्रोड्यूसर भी सिंगिंग
कभी गाना गाया?
आतिका खंडाला में थोड़ा सा एक लाइनिंग दे दी होगी आपने.
नहीं
आपने ट्राई किया हुआ है एक्चुअली.
अरे
अच्छा, उसमें आमिर ने.
सुनील,
अच्छा, इसके साथ साथ आप
क्या हो रहा है सुनील?
आप एक प्रोड्यूसर भी बन चुकी हैं, तो क्या आगे जाके हम डायरेक्शन में देख सकते हैं रानी को? आदित्य
नो, नॉट एट ऑल. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ एक्टिंग करते हुए. मुझे कैमरा के सामने रहना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. एंड आई थिंक आई विल रादर do what I'm doing in front of the camera, and for behind the camera there are a lot of capable people doing that already. All right. So I really like me being in front of the camera, like the way I'm right now.
Thank you very much. We have to end this right now. Thank you.
Allow me what? Supporting cast. Okay, can I take this question, Rafi?
Sure.
Please. The supporting cast actually is very, very interesting. They are mostly all making their debuts, and they're very, very interesting actors. In fact, when you see the film, I think the supporting cast will come out very, very strongly. And personally speaking, I really had a wonderful time working with them because they are very new and they are very fresh, and they actually come with a very different perspective in terms of performance. So I, in fact, really enjoyed performing with them. Bhavna aunty, you didn't ask me even one question. Ask na one question, Bhavna aunty. You're looking so pretty. One question.
Which was shown in the beginning of the film.
Right.
When the film starts, the facts and figures which are shown
Film starts, the trailer starts.
Yeah,
Bhavna
the trailer.